Ikaw ba isang empleyado na kulang ang kinikita, nawalan, or nangangamba na mawala ng trabaho?
It's time for you to reconsider na magkaroon ng sariling online business.
By the way, my name is Ed, and his name is Macau. And may gusto kaming ipakita sa'yo na 100% online business na pwede mo ring pagkakitaan. Ito ay isang e-commerce business na merong in-demand and winning products na pwede mo ring ibenta online. At ang maganda dito, ang business na ito ay tumatanggap ng cash on delivery. Kung ikaw ay nagbebenta ng any products online, then dito sa business na ito, hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-stock ng products at ipadala ang orders sa customers mo kasi company na ang gagawa nito para sa'yo. And the good news is, we will be providing you your own e-commerce store for free. Alright? Kaya I'm very excited to share this business with you. But before that, I have a quick question for you. Nasa stage ka ba ng buhay mo ngayon na kahit anong trabaho mo, kulang pa rin yung kinikita mo? Yung tipong ginawa mo na ang lahat, pero yung take-home pay mo is kulang pa rin? Well, my friend, congratulations, because this business is exactly for you. And I truly believe na hindi accident na napanood mo ang video na ito. Now, kung gusto mong malaman ang online business na ito, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is i-click mo lang ang button na nasa baba ng video na ito, or you can send us a message and we will personally message you para maibigay namin sa'yo yung full details ng online business na ito. Alright? So, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next page.